So hello everyone, I'm Angela and today we are going to talk about strategies to master the short answer questions in the listening comprehension exercise. Now, the short answer questions are all about precision. It's going to break down into tactics to nail this response. Now, the first tip is very clear and it is to read all the questions before the listening starts. So before diving into the audio, scan the questions. This is like setting your GPS, okay? It's like your compass. You know exactly where you have to go and what to listen for. For example, if the question is, what time does the meeting start? You know you have to listen for a specific time. It's easy, the most easy. Now, the second tip is, of course, to jot down keywords and important information, because these notes will help you to quickly find the answers later. For example, if you hear, the meeting will start at 10:30 p.m. Note, meeting 10:30 p.m. Basta. Now, the next tip is very important and is to go straight to the point. What do I mean by that? You have just to answer with only what is needed, no more, no less. Please do not try to impress the examiner with long answers. Some students of mine have told me numerous times, it says, yeah, but the more I answer, the more the examiner knows how much English I can. No, not really. The thing is that the more you write, the more possibilities you have to make mistakes. And there is one thing, we examiners, we always have kind of correction criteria. So we are looking for precise information here, not too long. We are not looking for too long sentences or nothing like that. So, for example, if the question is, what is the main topic of the discussion? And the audio says, the main topic is climate change. You write only climate change, and that's more than enough. Next tip, watch out for synonyms and for paraphrase, because the audio might paraphrase things. So paraphrase is to say the same thing but with different words. So keep an ear out for synonyms that match the question's language. Once again, next tip, trust your instincts. Often, if your first hunch is the right one, it's because the answer might be that. So sometimes if the answer seems obvious, it's because it is. No trap. It's a trap. No, it's not. Guess what I'm going to say next? It's going to be about practice. And of course, I'm going to tell you to practice with variety. Mix up your practice sessions. Different audios bring different challenges and are going to build up your adaptability. So arm yourself with these strategies, and you'll find that the short answers questions are far less challenging and more doable than we could have thought. So if you have liked this video, or if you have any questions or anything at all or any comments, please drop that in the comments below, and see you in the next video. We are getting to the end of this series actually. Have a lovely evening. Bye.